Here's a gear wrench kit that I think every mechanic probably needs. It's the 8-piece master sensor kit. That means if you ever run yourself into an O2 sensor, or pretty much an O2 sensor, these are going to save you some time and frustration. That is for sure. Comes in a beautiful case, very well laid out, little foam packing so it doesn't rattle around too bad. It comes with a little bit of information up here on the sizing and if you had to reorder something. And the case is strong enough to snap by itself rather shut and secure. And I'm not worried about that thing opening up. I've used this quite a few times to get some O2 sensors out of some hard to reach places. You definitely need something that's got this slit in it. This gives you those and many more. This gives you kind of the adapter style and another adapter style and a big boy, a smaller one with a bunch of access, and a straight pipe. So most of what you work on an automotive car, you'd be able to figure out with this set right here in terms of getting an oxygen sensor out. So far, this kit has done me very well, and I highly recommend it. These things feel sturdy and well made. No problem with thinking these are gonna give me an issue if I put them on heavy torque. I shouldn't have to, but if I have to, these will handle it. Highly recommended.